everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a special day. Today we're gonna mess around with the Cadillac, Danny's Cadillac. He has recently tuned the car. Guess we're gonna have some fun with the car. We're gonna do a draggy pull with it. He did a draggy pull, I don't know, a couple weeks ago with our draggy, and do you remember what it did?
11 point something.
And so want to see what the tune does. The tune is with tap out, right?
Tap out tuning.
Yeah. So far the car, like usual, this car likes to fight a little bit, but I think he finally got the car dialed in. And you happy?
I'm happy.
Yeah,
I'm happy.
that's what matters. So this is a 2016 Cadillac ATS-V. It's a twin turbo V6. It sounds good. It sounds really good. I think it sounds a little better in my car, but I just absolutely love the way this car looks. He's put these ESR wheels on it. It's lowered on Megan racing springs. We're gonna go out to Mexico, see what it does, and maybe, just maybe, he might get some Mustang action. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how the traffic situation is. You want to play with the Mustang, Dan?
Oh, I ain't scared. I know I get gap, but
no, we'll see. You don't know. You got an auto, you know. My car's not that fast. Let's see how this thing sounds.
Thank you, Scott Cook at Tap Out, for removing that crappy rev limiter.
Yeah. That sounds damn good, guys. Damn good. So let's head out to Mexico. Let's see how this thing does. Well, it should be what? I'm assuming it should do at least low 10. Let's see. We're gonna do 60 to 130. That's all we have from last time, so we're gonna do 60 to 130 this time and see what it does. Don't fuck it up.
Buckle up for safety, bitches.
All right, guys, so the main objective of this video is to see what all does the tune do when it comes to performance. I mean, how much better is the car gonna be? That's what we're trying to find out. The car has a tap out tune. I don't know, they go by belt. It's like a purple belt. I don't know what that belt is. It's weird, I don't know yet. But it's the tap out tuning, and he also has the trans tuning. So I've been in the car a few times. I decided to just let him do it on his own. He doesn't need extra weight in the car. So let's see what it does. He should be able, I think it should be able to pull at least like a low 10, like a low 10 seconds, 60 to 130 for just the tune. I found that pretty impressive. So the car should do pretty well. Sounds good. She sounds good. Just them up for deleting that car.
Can you hear the turbos?
Yeah, I could hear the turbos. It doesn't sound as spooly as mine, but I could definitely hear them out the exhaust. Oh yeah, sounds good, bro. Sounds good. Here next to me. All right, 50. Hold on. 50, fucker. 50?
Yeah, it's 50. You tell me with the 60, you're going to gap my ass.
All right, we'll do 50. I don't care. All right. I'm going to count it down. All right? 1, 2, 3. I can't start at 50.
I know. Well, that's why I said I don't think a 50 is as good for you as it is for me.
As you can see, it took me forever to spool up. So I got him. I mean, you know, after fourth, I got him, but still, the car should have. I mean, I got about 100 horse on them, but still, I mean, hey, it's a V6 on V6. Remember that. So we'll try it again. We'll do a 60.
Yeah.
Ready? One.
Go ahead.
You got me at 55 already. 1, 2, 3. Radar going on. Yeah, 60.
Yeah, 60 is much better for you. I tried to brake boost it.
You tried to brake boost it?
Yeah, and I haven't really practiced it on this car yet, so I don't think it worked very well.
Yeah, well, wrong time to practice it. You practice when you're not in the middle of a fucking race.
Yeah, I figured, fucking, I knew I was going to lose anyways. I might as well try to gain some kind of advantage. For tune only?
No, the
For
car.
tune only, this
Yeah.
car is moving.
Yeah, yeah. For tune only, the car's definitely moving, dude. No. I mean, I think, you know, I could tell the car definitely has a. I mean, when you put some downpipes in that bitch, that thing's gonna move out, dude. That thing's gonna move out pretty well. So you should not be disappointed whatsoever. I mean, it's. We all started, dude. I mean, we all started somewhere, and just for a tune, I'm thoroughly impressed with that car.
Hey, on that 50 run me and you did, I did a 10.67, 60 to 130 because it's still running.
You recorded it. Awesome. Good. That's your best run then. So this car also has the tap out trans tuning too, right?
Yes.
So trans tuning makes a big difference. So that helps them a lot, and it pulls. I know a lot of people complain about that 8-speed, that's kind of slow, but the trans tuning did help it a lot, and I thought it was pretty damn impressive. So that helps a lot, because he's auto. You don't want to hang with the manual boys though, not yet.
And also, it is tune only, meaning no downpipes.
Yeah.
No intake. No nothing. A tune and one range colder of a spark plug is all that is in this car right now.
Yep.
That is it.
With a whole lot of grease, of that dielectric grease, whatever. God, that's something y'all cat-like people do. I'm gonna tell you right now, us 4 guys, we don't put none of that junk. But anyways, that's it. All right, guys, so quick recap. Let's just show you what he did. He sent me these times, and I want to show you what he did originally a few weeks ago. Stock tune only. The best he did stock tune only was 11.69, and then he did it again, and he did 11.60. So he technically went up by a complete second, because he did well, almost a complete second. His best time today was a 10.67. So tune only, engine and trans, pretty badass just for a tune. And he's got more things coming, but I'm really impressed. That's pretty damn good just off a tune. All right, guys, so there it is. He's happy with the results. I'm impressed with the results. Tune only, second, it's all good. So there it is. Twin turbo V6 versus twin turbo V6. I thought it would be fun to run it, and he hadn't been telling me he wanted to run it, but I figured, hey, let's run him and see how it does. And it'll give him a little bit of a benchmark to keep pushing, because he's just getting started. This car is already full send. So, I mean, I could turn it up a tiny bit more, but that's pretty much it. And if you guys haven't seen the new merch, I have a Camaro. Well, she has a Camaro. I drive a Mustang, but gotta show love. Gotta show love to all the cars. We got them all. Camaro, Mustang, Hellcat, Euro, Audi, Volkswagens. Come on. Share these videos, guys. Get us out there. We're having some. We're growing, though. We're growing. So, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. And hope you got everything you want for Christmas. So, hope you guys stay safe out there. We'll check you out later.